The good news about Jesus as come to Luke chapter 1 from verse 1 to verse 20. For start, Theophilus, whole heap of people try to write down the sitting them what amongst we. Them write it down same way how them hear it from the people them where they did it from the start. See the sitting them where happen and we preach the word. Honorable Theophilus, me study everything from the start and make up my mind for write and tell you what happen, so you will know say where you hear a true sitting. John the Baptist a go born. When time Herod had the king in Judea, one priest did there named Zachariah. Him did belong to the Abijah group of priests them, and his wife Elizabeth had did one a Aaron family. God said the two of them had did good somebody. Cause them live how him want them to live. Them do all the way him tell them to do, and nobody couldn't point no finger upon them. But they never have no pitney, cause Elizabeth couldn't have none. Plus, the two of them did well old. One day, Zachariah did do priest work in a God's house, cause film group of priests did they on duty. In a them day, the priests them used to come together and draw a name to see which one of them could burn incense in a God's house. This a time here, as Zachariah name get picked. When at the time, and Zachariah go in a God's house, the people them when they get out a door did a pray. One of the Lord angel them come to Zachariah and turn up on the right hand side of the incense altar. When Zachariah see him frightened so till, the angel tell him say, "No afraid, God hear your prayer. Elizabeth I go have one picnic for you, and you fi call him John. Him a go make you well happy, and enough people are go glad when him born. Your boy picnic I go special in a God's eye. You know, if he drink no wine and no other strong drink, the Holy Spirit I go control him from him in a mother belly. Him a go bring back whole heap of Israel people to the Lord where them God. Him a go before God with the same spirit and power like what Elijah did have. Him a go make Father come back home love them picnic. And the people them when never did I hear God, I go start think like good somebody and do a right. And that way then, it might make people ready for the Lord. Zachariah go ask the angel, how am I going to know say a true sitting here talk? Me a one old man and my wife no young neither. The angel tell him say, me a Gabriel. Me turn up before God and he send me to talk to you and to tell you the good news. But true you no believe me, you now go can talk till when me tell you about happen. And Gad Wod Dis. Thank God.